I am again in front of you to take the class. Now I want to take a class on voice. A lot of people uh, asked me or told me to take the class on active voice and passive voice. Now today our topic is voice. Okay. So first of all, I want to say something about voice. Why voice is important for us? We know that there are two form of voice. There are two kind of voice. One is active voice and another is passive voice. My question is why the passive voice? Why the passive voices are so important? The passive voices are very important for some reasons. Maybe there are three reasons that the passive voices are very important. First one is when we don't know the doer. This is when we do not know who did the action, who did the work, or who did the action. The second thing is when the subject or doer is not necessary to mention. And the third point is the subject or doer is very famous. We there is unnecessary. It is unnecessary to mention the doer's name, the person's name, or the object's name. For these three reasons, passive voice are very important. Passive voice is not for only to change I eat rice and rice is eaten by me. This kind of sentences for the, passive voice is not for this kind of sentences. Actually, passive voice is very important for passive voice are frequently used by the native speakers. Passive voice are frequently used by the English speakers, and sometimes the journalist use passive voice. The journalist uses passive voice. A journalist uses passive voice for, you know, that the doer or who does the action is not necessary to mention, or the subject is not so important to mention, or the subject is very famous. It's no use to mention the subject again here. Okay. Sometime we when we read the newspaper, we read it that 5 people were injured in an accident. Okay, 5 people were injured in an accident. This means doer of the action is not necessary here. This is important. 5 people are injured in an accident. Who did this accident? This is not necessary. My pocket has been picked. Okay, one day I went to market, and I went to market and my pocket has been picked. There is not necessary to mention who picked my pocket. Okay, so that is why passive voice is very important. So now uh, uh, have a look, or let's have a start. Okay, how we make active voice into passive voice. Okay, this is the voice are of two kinds: active voice and passive voice. And it's very important. There is another voice, that is quasi passive voice, and that is rarely used in English, so it's not important to mention here. Now have a look at how we form active voice into passive voice. First and foremost thing is, the first very important thing is, in English